Hello, this is Dr. Prasad Pudielam. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, My Intuition, class series on research methodology and intellectual property rights. 21RMI56, that is subject code, which is there for the fifth semester of the institutions affiliated to Vishweshwara Technological University or engineering students which are affiliated to Vishweshwara Technological University have this subject in common. This is the sixth video of module 5. So I'm covering this syllabus. This is the syllabus of VTU Belagavi Karnataka of the particular subject, and the course outcome also mentioned here, understanding the basic principle of design rights, which covers the fifth module. So the textbook or the study material for this particular subject is already mentioned in the syllabus, that is engineering research methodology by Dipankar Deva. You can download it directly from Google internet. If you type it, you'll get the electronic version of the textbook. So you can refer that textbook. I have also referred the same thing. Now this particular class video is on a case study of Neem patent. Based on that, a question is framed: how did the Neem patent case unfold, and what were the significant legal, ethical, and socio-economic implications associated with the patenting of Neem related innovation? Okay, so the answer key, it is mentioned here: introduction to case study, background, controversy, overcome. These are the topic that I am covering on this. Okay, so introduction. The Neem patent, in this case it involves on the grant which is sanctioned for the patenting of the Neem tree, that is Azadirachta indica. Okay, so the patent titled use of extracts of neem as antifungal agents. It was granted by the European Patent Office (EPO) to a multinational corporation WR Greece in 1994. So that patent claimed the use of a neem extract as the antifungal agent for the protection of plants and seeds. But we know already the use of neem and what are the properties. It was already known, but initially it got patented in 1994 in the European Patent Office by multinational corporation WR Grace. Okay, so people have objected mainly from India, because we were knowing this, we are using it. So if the patent is sanctioned, then it's a normal common usage. It will be affected. They will claim for that. So the background says that the neem has been traditionally used in various cultures, particularly in India, for their medicinal properties, because it has got antimicrobial, antifungal, and pesticidal properties. It is used to kill the anti-microbes. It is used to kill the fungus as well as pesticides. Okay, it's generally used already. It was in we were using. We know that use of neem. The patent application filed by the WR Grace claimed that invention of using neem extract as antifungal agent for agriculture purpose. They wanted to make some agriculture product based product by using neem, and they wanted to patent it, but that cannot be avoided. So the controversy, because it is prior art, the traditional, as well as it's a traditional knowledge. The neem, it had a long history of use in traditional Indian medicine, in as well as in agriculture, and for the pest control we were already using in India. So the patent was challenged on the grounds that the claimed invention was not novel and involved traditional knowledge that had been in public domain for centuries. Even it was published in many articles. It was published in India. Okay, so again the controversy that biopiracy concerns, similar to the turmeric. In my previous video I explained about the curcuma or turmeric patent case. The Neem patent case also raised the concern about the biopiracy, that is exploiting the traditional knowledge for commercial gains without proper acknowledgement or benefit sharing. Then the public outcry and the opposition, the grant which was of the patent, it led to the significant public outcry and the opposition from various places or various quarters, including environmentalists, activists, or even the Indian government. So the critics argued that the patenting of a neem extract was attempt to monopolize a natural resource and traditional knowledge. It's true. Okay, so revocation of the patent happened in 2000. In response of the challenge and the public pressure, the European Patent Office they revoked the Neem patent in 2000, year 2000. So the revocation was based on the recognition that the claimed invention it lacked the novelty and involved the utilization of the traditional knowledge. Uh, Impact of intellectual property and biodiversity was another outcome. So the Neem patent, that case, it had a substantial impact on discussions surrounding intellectual property rights, traditional knowledge, and biodiversity conservation. So it contributed to ongoing debates about the need for a legal mechanism to prevent the misappropriation of traditional knowledge and patenting it. Global policy shift. The case it influenced or changed the international patent laws and discussions happened at various forums like Convention of Biological Diversity, it's called as CBD, leading to the development of guidelines to protect traditional knowledge and prevent the biopiracy. When the biopiracy, the word was introduced during the 1990s only. Okay, so that's about the video on the sixth video of module 5. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope it was useful for you for study purpose as well as knowledge gaining. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is My Intuition 4865. So once again, have a nice day.